I'll say padding, let's say 10 pixel. Oops, 10 pixel. I'll say margin, let margin be 10 pixel. Okay, and yeah, this is okay, cool, fine. And for submit, what I do is background. Okay, background hash 00 ff ff f. And what color is that? And color let be is white. Okay, and border be the same color. Border 1 pixel solid hash 00. Alright, and this would be say 50%. Margin 0 pixel auto. Let's see. Let me close this. Sounds fair, but except for this, I'll change the color. Let this be green, solid green. Okay, and I would like to have a width 100%, and I would like to have a padding of 10 pixel too, and I'll have a margin of 10 pixel too. Now let's see what we got here. Isn't it inside the form? Let's see. Let's inspect. So form. There's no class registration. Oh, the spelling's wrong. Registration form. Registration form. Now let's see. This should work. Okay. Now what else you got? 50%, right? Okay. So this need not be 50% now. This is, let's come here. Okay. Submit. It's 25% is okay. And let's see what's this is. Width. Let's take 50%. Something on those lines. I won't say 100% here. I'll say 25%. So yeah, that's enough with the things. So now let's get back to business. So here you see here, when I come here, it's with the red border. That means it's looking for valid email actually. Okay. Now when I say .com, now you see there is no what you say red border around it because it assumes that that's a valid email. So that's how HTML5 does pre-validations. Like even before submitting them, it validates. All right. Now here let's come back to this validations. Email, let email be validate, let's say our name. So here I'll use the action. So Taufik, what does action do? For action, let's say I'll take to cache.html. It's just a simple one. We'll see how we can use cache.html in PHP. So what does action do, Taufik? Will redirect? Well, actually, you're close, but not in the right context. It does not redirect actually. Think about it. S3 Thanks for submitting the URL form href equal to js validations.html written. So catch.html. Alright, so what does it actually do? It does not redirect to another URL. Action is something which tells the form, okay, you're collecting values. Now with those values, go to this file. It's not redirection, but it's submitting the values to. Where should I submit these values? Where should I dump these values to? So yeah, here you have to dump action. I said here catch.html, just in the context like catch. It catches the values over there. Okay, that we'll see in PHP. How do we catch the values? But as of now, let's see what happens. Now, what I do is I'll say Tutoslive dot tutoslive.help@gmail.com. It's a valid email, so no error. But I'll say name to be 12345. Let's say, is it a real email? No. Okay, it's looking for valid function. Let's write the valid function. So here, what I do is let me use external script also. src equal to what we got here. Oh, we did not even open. Yeah, this is a good time. So I'll write something like scripts. Okay, form or validate.js, let's say. All right, I'll write a validate.js. Now let's open a new folder here in Tutoslive and we'll see. So here, new folder is scripts. So I always keep my scripts in scripts. Okay, so here in validate, I have to write a function, right? So external style sheet will only have JavaScript code. There will be no tags in it. External JavaScript, sorry, not style sheet. External JavaScript file will only have the JavaScript code, but not any tags. So now let's write here. So what is that function? Validate, I guess. Function validate here. Okay, I'll say return true, let's say. So this goes inside our scripts. This is validate.js. Alright, this is validate.js. Now let's go back to our code here. I have included that. So any questions here, Taufik, regarding the external script file? So that's how we include a external script file inside our own page, our page actually. Okay. Yeah, what is your question?